And Thailand's daily new COVID-19 infections record has been broken each day since last Friday. And today, the country recorded up to 14,575 new cases, as well as 114 more deaths. And if we look at the daily infections throughout the past week, it has been increasing almost every day from 9,692 last Friday to 10,082 on Saturday to 11,397 on Sunday and to 11,784 on Monday. The figure dropped slightly on Tuesday with about 11,305 before starting to rise again to 13,002 on Wednesday and to 13,655 yesterday. And that brings the total infections in the current wave since April to 438,844. Currently, there are around 143,000 people being treated in hospitals as well as field hospitals. Most new infections are being acquired through local transmission, with 1,072 cases being found in prisons and only 13 among international arrivals. The daily death toll peaked on Saturday at 141, bringing total fatalities since April to 3,717. Of the deaths reported today, almost half were in Bangkok, where 49 people have died. 3 people were found dead at home amid the hospital bed shortage. The cases in the capital account for 28.8% of all infections since April, with daily new infections remaining the highest compared to the rest of the country at 3,104, up from the 2,000 level seen over the recent days. Other provinces in the top 10 list are Samut Sakhon, Samut Prakan, Chonburi, Rayong, Pathum Thani, Ayutthaya, Cha Cheong Sao, Nonthaburi, and Pattani. The CCSA assistant spokesperson Dr. Aphisamai Sirangsan said more than 100,000 people have been found in violation of interprovincial travel restrictions in place since Wednesday. So far, 15 million doses of vaccines have been administered, while 3.5 million people, or only about 5.2% of the entire population, have been fully vaccinated. And according to the Prime Minister's Operations Center, 8 million doses of AstraZeneca vaccine and 5 million doses of Sinovac are being administered through to the end of August this year. The government is mostly aiming at inoculating people aged 60 and above and those with any of the 7 underlying diseases this month and the next, with 33% of the 13 million doses counted from Monday, July 19th, to be administered to people living in 11 provinces in the COVID-19 dark red and red zones. Apart from this, 15% are for those in the Social Security Fund and those who are part of driving the economy. 12% are for those working for the government agencies. 3% of the vaccines are booster doses for medical personnel. Another 12% are to be used as the second doses, which of course will be AstraZeneca. 10% are for those living in other red zone provinces and other provinces preparing to reopen to tourists. And 50% are for those living in the remaining 48 provinces. So this is the overview of the COVID-19 situation in Thailand throughout this week.